actually purpose when purpose for the community that I always wanted to do that, to make it easier and simple for you guys when it comes to rules and laws. Most of you, if let's say I've noticed, if someone comes and I would start telling them, oh, this guidance, this case law, this legislation, this, so they would, why do they need a lawyer? What they can even go and read and do everything themselves. But the purpose the purpose is to educate you guys. Purpose is to make it easier for you guys, that you should understand and you know your rights. That's why the program itself has named Legal Rights, that you people have in terms of the things works, and we always there to help you guys. And I'm keep saying that anyone who has query, just ring on 0780 300 1377. Any of you have any question, they can ask, and 30 minutes consultation is free of cost. There is no charge, and I think 30 minutes will be enough for you guys, rather than I make it harder for you guys that, oh no, you need to come to the office. No, anyone is even calling from out of the city. Yes, it's specifically for those who would struggle to come. They may have to take off from work during, because I understand, which is very difficult. So I'm just making easier for those who cannot take off from work, and they can be benefited over the phone. So it will be helpful for them, easier for them to ring and just discuss the matter. So this is something that I wanted to bring into your knowledge. That is, the platform is there for you guys. You just need to come and discuss your matter that you are struggling with. And again and again, I would say, with personal injury and crime, we at Marvel Solicitors will be coming soon, and once we are going to deal with those areas, I would announce that. So whoever is sending query regarding personal injury, they can keep doing it. Crime, they can keep doing it. And once we are ready for that, and I would just update you guys for that. So these are there are so many. I understand we have a short time here. When we come live, I understand that most of you send your questions, you write your emails to me directly, you send text messages, and any of you, if for some reason is missing, please do not hesitate to contact again directly, because if it individually, when I go through your queries and reply you, and some of them, if they have same queries, then I always have chosen that it would be more easier that I come to this platform and answer your queries. And you, every Tuesday between 10 to 12, I'm here live with your answer question session that you guys can send me, and I would always answer you step by step, as I did in the beginning, so that I made it easier for you guys, that whoever wanted to know. Even some of you who contacted, they also know that I've tried my best to reply them back and to take their calls and answer their calls. And let's move to family law now. Immigration, there are some important topics that will be coming to next show. UK expansion visas, that who would qualify for that, how you would qualify for that, and what advice and what kind of business or your current situation that you are in, and you can apply or you can switch to that UK expansion, which is very interesting and for the youth, and it would even I would say bring more opportunities for you if you switch on that, and how it will be helpful for you guys. I would to get to the stage of the ILR. I would step by step give you overview, eligibility, suitability, and criteria of the UK expansion, and how you know how to contact me. So I don't need to explain that how to contact me now. I've already told you enough. You have the details to contact me directly, so you guys can contact when you are ready. So I would be happy to explain you UK expansion scheme, that you can how you can qualify for that, and how you can apply for the route, and what steps that you have to go through in order to get to the right path. So I'm here to help you in your community in Hackney Central and London, UK, anywhere from the outside the country who wants to come to the UK and wants to choose this UK expansion scheme. This is for those specifically who are outside the country. So this is something, because I always end of the immigration topics and answer question session, I always give you few topics that what I'm going to come with, and one has become a very famous and very popular topic, which is called fee waiver. Please, in every single show, I do not want to get you guys bored of giving you one topic all the time, that most of you who already know that what I've explained. So previous program, new changings to the immigration rules, first program, changings to the immigration rule. Maybe in next program I can again explain you for fee waiver, because fee waiver is one of the important part of your immigration application, because who are on 10 years, 5 years or categories, this is a very important topic for them, because if they cannot afford to pay money, then of course they have to apply for that. And how, in next topic again I would take you step by step. And UK expansion, very very important. We would come back on that as well. So now, before we finish immigration, I've explained you detention as well. So who sent me the query this morning, please ring me after the show. I would be very happy to meet you in the office even today, or explain you over the phone. That is something that I can help you with. And now moving to the family law. So the family law, when we talk about the family law, which is at some stages which is very painful, because family law, we have issues related to the family, that how couple, they want to separate, how the divorce works, which is sad, which is very sad, of course. And of course, but that is how we have to live in this world, that some they live happily, some they come to the end and they want to separate. Anyone has issue related to divorce, they can contact. If the financial dispute, property, your funds, your assets, your savings are involved in there, Then I can also explain you then how the long the process would take, how I would deal with your matter, and would guide you step by step. And please contact, and then we'll take it from there. As I said, when it comes to family law, again and again, then first thing comes, even a couple, they are not divorced, but they are living separately. They were unmarried couples, they have children together. Then they come to a stage where they want to go for child arraignment orders. And if someone has been victim of domestic violence, then of course there is another issue. Most of them, they are involved into a non-molestation issue. In previous program, I've explained step by step for the hearings, time period, how it works, how you should go through the mediation, then the court, and then the case management hearing, and then how the court would give you the who is involved, section 7 report, social services. So that is something I've explained, but of course this is at some point, this is of course very so sad for those who they do not want to know that the child would suffer, because if the child is living with one parent and then the other parent would get the court orders for the arrangement, then of course end of the day we all know that then we have a child who would struggle with that. And then of course we in this world living and we have to finally go through if the situation comes to that end, which is again very sad. And excuse me, sorry. And of course everyone, if someone even not in relation, they find another relation, and of course people, they want to be on the stage and want to be on the face where they want to be living their happy life. So this is part of the life. Of course we are here to help you from Marvelock Solicitors, and of course with your child arraignment issues, non-molestation issues, your occupation orders, and again the next step I would take, topic is parental responsibility. Parental responsibility when the person has given birth of the child, and on the birth certificate both parents are mentioned there. So your actual real parental responsibility starts if you are biological father. But if you still want to have the court document in place, then of course contact me. I'll guide you how to get the legal document for parental responsibility in place, and what steps that you have to go through. Just pick up your phone, ring me, and I'll explain you. And the last topic for today, under the family law, the last topic for today is special guardianship orders. So special guardianship orders involve so many things, detailed things, that how you qualify, how local authorities should consider you that you are going to be the right people to look after the children, because it's not only one thing involved. Article 8, private family life involved, the needs of the child, what child want, your previous time with the child that you have already spent. It's not something that next day you come up and say you want to adopt this child. No, special guardianship order is a lengthy process which takes time and costly as well. So before I finish the program, let me just give you the overview for the next program, that we have important, very important topics like UK expansion visas, fee waiver, who can go for that. Then ILR, domestic violence, ILR DV, which is called, who can qualify under that category. And there are some other things that I would like to explain to you guys, because they, most of them, they want to know the entrepreneur global mobility scheme, and I would explain them step by step that how this is going to work. And again, please do share, comments, give your thoughts, provide your feedback, and also you need to send emails and contact me directly. So that is how I would know your interest, and of course with the new topics, with new question and answer session, I would come back to you guys, so that would make it easier for you guys. And before I go, I would explain, would give you the address and number. We from Marvelock Solicitors, the address is 2A Median Road, ground floor office. Hackney Central Station is very closer to us, it's just 3 minutes walk, and the postcode is E50PL. You cannot miss us. The contact number that you have to call and approach me is 0780 300 1377, which can be seen on the screen. The email address, you can write me email at the email address fahad@marvelocksolicitors.co.uk. send on info@marvelocksolicitors.co.uk, or book your appointment, ring the office number. You can book the appointment, approach me, visit me, and get the solution of your issues. Thank you so much for today, and I hope to see you next week. Thank you and good luck. Thank you.